Crazy ass drivers. I'm messing. I'm not messing. Crazy ass drivers. I'm cheating. I'm not hiking. I've driven up to the overlook points. Trying to save some time. Kind of looks like the Grand Canyon, but it's not as grand. Got it. That's beautiful. What?
Relax quick. I know things been hectic, and I don't mean to be drastic, but I miss you. After all that we've been through, it's still you. So smoke one with me. You know it's legal up here now. Time's speeding up, slow down. And all I know is I need your time lately. You keep me high, baby. Is this still the same for you? I know I'm long gone, can't be found. Wish you were here now. Well, tell me you wait for me. Night's been rough, drinking too much, afraid you'll find love. Please tell me you wait for me. Wait for me. Tell me you wait for me. Wait for me. Tell me you wait for me. Top to bottom, talk about it. We go party, she's so about it. Cause I know work out your line, you been going out your mind. Cause you been needing yourself for yourself, oh. So just break out the weed and Patron in you. Know you see that I'm on in you. Fuck with me when we gone in you, I know I'm long gone, can't be found. Wish you were here now. But tell me you wait for me. Night's been rough, drinking too much, afraid you'll find love. Please tell me you wait for me. Wait for me. Tell me you wait for me. Wait for me. Tell me you wait for me. I'm long gone, can't be found. Wish you were here now. But tell me you wait for me. Night's been rough, drinking too much, afraid you'll find love. Please tell me you wait for me. Tell me you wait for me.
Day one down. Did Dark Horse National Park and Mesa Arch and Canyonlands. It was dope. Beautiful weather. Gorgeous, gorgeous weather. And sights unbeatable. Till the next one.